Morning, folks. We are out here working on the truck again at the shop. Mindy and I just set the heads on there and I started dropping the bolts in. I need to do the other side. I don't have the tripod with me, so I'm going to set you guys up here on the rail bumper. I don't know if you can see in there. Let's see, does that get you in there? It kinda does. Maybe something like, if you don't fall. Yee! Don't fall. Trying to get you in there a little bit, maybe. Maybe like that. I don't know. At least I know I can kind of see what you can see at the moment until it decides it's not going to let me. I don't know. Now it's showing a wrench. Hopefully you're still recording. But climb up here. Alright. Some head bolts. Let's open this up. Here's how they come. Yay, doesn't that look fun? 2 bags. They're pre-oiled. You're supposed to oil them before you put them in. Hopefully you can see. I got you blocked. I've got something. There we go. Let's go start dropping them in. I think some of these may be a little longer than the others. Ouch. Oh, I didn't get the head in the right spot. All right. Let's see what it is. I don't know if I can see anything. Oh, I got the back on. Now let's see if they sit down in there. There we go. Good grief. Well, I came out here and done this earlier, and I was trying to set that head on that side. That didn't work. I couldn't figure out what was going on until I finally seen it at the last moment. I was like, I had the wrong head in my hands. I'm trying to climb in and out of the truck with a step, with a head in your hand. It was fun. June of 19. I don't know if that's probably in the box. Oh yeah, I'm leaking. You know what they say when you're working on stuff. Blood, sweat, and tears. Well, there's the blood. I've been sweating this whole time and been crying, so why does that bag say right hand also? Supposed to be a left and a right, but they're the same length. I was looking at the old ones. quick and dirty. Not really. I take my time. I've cleaned everything I can on it. I mean, brake clean, just everything. I don't know how many cans of brake clean I've gone through and wiping down rags, paper towels. All right. Well, I got blood dripping down my hands, so I'm going to spin these in, get them snug, then get to torquing on them. But I just wanted to give you an update where we're at. Timing's good, I guess. I don't know. We're gonna see. I've got the valve covers over there. I've got them. I washed them off, so letting them dry. I'm gonna probably wash them again. One side's worse than the other, just as far as dirty. It's just where the oil funnel or the oil tube where you fill it up at, just where it's run down over the years and created a mess. That's what I did with these. I scrubbed them. I mean, they still could use some cleaning, but they're clean where it counts. Let's put it that way. So, all right. Just want to give you a heads up what's going on here. So, I'll get these snugged down. I'll get these other bolts that goes in here. There's 4 on this side, 5 over here. We'll get those in, get everything snug, get to torquing them down. I'll have to look up torque specs again. I did take a screenshot of what I needed. I know they're extremely tight getting off, like I was using a lot of force. So yeah, I'll get them torqued down, at least get them snug, then I'll start torquing them. So I'll see you here in a few. Alrighty folks, I'm going to try this here. I got this torque wrench here. We're going to try it. 15 foot-pounds, then 36. If I just hold it down. I picked this up at the Freight Harbor. I'll run this down to 15. If it doesn't pick it up, I have one that reads in inch-pounds. I can, oh, it's not going to go down that low, is it? Foot-pounds. I think it goes to 250, then it backs down to, it's like 28. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go to, it was 25. I'm gonna have to get my one that reads in inch-pounds to get that 15 mark, I think. Dad, or I was just going past it. No, 20, yeah, it was 25, 250. Okay. We'll use this one here in a little bit. Let me go get the other one that reads in inch-pounds. But here's the torque wrench I usually use. This was Dad's. He gave me this one. But I'm not even sure the brand on this one. I know it's awesome. I love this one. I usually get those little cheap ones. This one here, it really gets in there. So let me turn you off for a second. I'm gonna go get my inch-pound torque wrench, and we'll get to throwing some torques on these here. Be right back. Alrighty folks, here it is. This is just an El Cheapo. Remember how to open it. This measures inch-pounds. I bought this when you're doing like intake manifolds and stuff like that, stuff that goes in lighter weight, small engines and stuff. You need something that reads in inch-pounds versus foot-pounds. So I think, let's see, I'm trying to think. Inch-pounds, let's see, it's 15 inch-pounds. Let's see, there should be like a, I've got one here that says 168 inch-pounds, but 15 inch-pounds would be like, let's see, 15 12 be 180. Sound right? No. We'll do the 160. That just doesn't sound right. Anyway, let's see. There's the 120. That'd be 240, 20, 200, 180. I'm just gonna put it at the 1 because 160, 180. I'll put it right there. I'll tighten her down. I mean, this is the initial go around, and then it jumps up to 36 foot-pounds. You're supposed to go over them 3 times at 36. Then they get a 90-degree turn times 3. I don't see any of that or not, but some of these may already be at 15 because I snugged them up with the ratchet. Well, with the Milwaukee, not the big impact, but I got a little 1/4 inch impact that I just run them down in there. Probably not the greatest idea, but that's what I did. I'm gonna go over all of these. I think I snugged up the bottom ones tighter than I did the top ones, so. Okay, let's go over them. Let's see, this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, those are the outside, so I need to go 11, 12, 14, 16, 17. Okay, there we go. I need to go get a 10mm and do these little ones up here on top because I didn't grab a 10, so. Then I'll do the other side, then we'll start doing the big tightening up. I'll show you here in a little bit what I used to get them off with, and I've done them in the same sequence, just backwards, just loosening them versus tightening them. So yep, I'll bring it back here in just a second. Let me go get a 10. Alright, I went and got the 10, and I went ahead and looked at the specs on it for these. It actually has those at the end, tighten them down to 22 foot-pounds. So I snugged them up a while ago. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and hit this side over here. Then we'll be ready. Can you see? You should be able to see. Maybe. Then we'll hit it with the big one here in a minute. I don't know if you can see that a while ago or not, so let's get in here. We're just going to hit these at the 180 inch-pounds. And I'm going to run you through these for real quick. I don't want to drive Mindy nuts with the editing as far as having to do the whole truck here. see, trying to remember. As long as you're going in a opposite pattern, but there's 18 of these head bolts per head. Let's see, and that should bring us into these. Then you have, these are called the mains, the main head bolts. These are the minor. So that's why it, after you do all the main head bolts, you go in and do the little ones. I think because they're such on such a small flange right there, you could probably snap that ear off on that head, and we definitely don't want to hurt anything else that might be hurt. Make anything any worse on ourselves. So yeah, as you can tell, I went through and tried to clean as much of this as we could. I'm sorry I'm bouncing you around everywhere. I don't have the tripod on it. I just took it off a little bit ago so I could change the battery, and we'll probably have to change the battery again here in a little bit. So okay, we're tight. Okay, so I'm going to switch to the big one. I think it's, let's put this down here, 36. It's a 2, and then go 36. I never use the electronic one, I always use the other one. I should have went the other way. Why did I go plus? I don't know. We're going to go to the 136. 36. See what it does. If we have to, we'll use the it's just El Cheapo here. I went a little over. I don't know if I like that or not, guys. It lets you, it's like I don't know. Will this one go that low? $85, $70, $65 or $55, $40. I guess it will. Let's see. If I go 15 clicks to 25, so I want 36. I'll be close. 10 clicks be 30. So 5. That'd be 35. 36. Alright. I may need an extension. Let me go grab an extension. I'm always jumping in and out of this truck, so. I'll be right back. Alright, so I went and got it. Let's see what we got. What would I try? Did I try these? That's what I tightened doing it. Yep. I just like that a little bit better, to where it breaks over and you know you're there. I'm just not used to that one, I guess. It's just nothing wrong with it. just not used to. I'm used to these. I was going to get one that was electronic like this. I wanted to try that first. It just seems like it's a little awkward to me, because I can break it over like that. You can do this in your sleep.